Hey everyone, it's Jeff here at Opus IVS. Welcome back to the channel. I hope each and every one of you are doing well. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your DriveSafe device to do a quick pre-scan when the vehicle arrives at the shop. So let's get into it. First thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and click that DriveSafe Diagnostics tab here on the home screen. Next, let's get that DLC cable plugged into that diagnostic port, and let's turn the ignition to the on position and then go ahead and select next to continue. I want you guys to all understand that if it is safe for the vehicle to be running during the scan process and you're not going to cause any further damage to the vehicle, by all means just go ahead and let the vehicle run. DriveSafe is now decoding the VIN number. It is very important that you guys have a good internet signal during this process or you will not be able to continue forward from this point. If you guys are out in the middle of the parking lot and you know that you have a weak or no Wi-Fi signal at all, I need you to go over here to the left-hand side of the screen, click the Wi-Fi tab, and then simply disconnect. The DriveSafe will now be able to decode the VIN number using the cellular modem inside the device. Let's go ahead and enter the RO number associated with the vehicle. Next, we want to enter the current mileage on the vehicle. Any restraints deployed, airbags and seat belts, everything looks okay in this vehicle. In the insurance drop down here, you can see we have no insurance listed at the top. We also have a lot of the big insurance companies listed, and we have customer pay there at the bottom. If the insurance company you're looking for is not listed, go ahead and select other, and then click OK. Remember guys from the previous video, if you have the ADAS tab, make sure you click that and fill it out accordingly before we start with the pre-scan process. Next, we're going to go ahead and click that pre-scan tab there in the lower left corner. Up here at the top, a quick scan is recommended. This is what we call our wizard workflow. The quick scan can be overridden by using the override button there to do an OE scan during the pre-scan process, but we're going to get to that in another video. For the sake of this video, we're just going to go ahead and click continue. We need to go ahead and select an engine. This vehicle is gasoline. And then go ahead and click the Start Quick Scan tab. Alright, here's the modules listed with fault codes. Got some parking sensor codes. Looks like we got something going on in the multi-AV head unit, something in the radio possibly. We have some more sonar codes. In the middle here, you can see modules without fault codes. And modules that didn't communicate or are not fitted. If you're not sure what these codes mean, you guys do have the option to do an IVS True OE scan there, and a technician will help you guys blueprint the vehicle during the write-up process and explain to you what these codes mean, but we're going to get to that in another video. If this report looks good to you guys, go ahead and hit the Send Report tab. We give you a little warning here saying that the work file must be closed in order for the diagnostic report to be received in the attachments folder. Go ahead and click Continue. DriveSafe is now creating the diagnostic report to be sent to CCC for you guys. We should get a message here saying that the report was successfully sent. That's good. Let's go ahead and hit OK. You guys will find your scan report under the Attachments tab, and the invoice will be under Parts and Vendor. Next, let's go ahead and hit the Exit tab. Are we finished with this vehicle? Yes. And we're back on the home screen, ready for the next vehicle. Thanks for watching, everybody. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and until then, take care.